Now we are going to start with the cell surface protein. You guys already know about the previous chapter we guys discussed about the T cells, B cells, activation, and all the things. In that there are some type of markers are present. T cell, there is one important receptor, that is T cell receptor, to bind the antigen MHC complex. They are having CD3 that is associated with TCR for signal transaction, and also CD28. 1 and 2, these are needed for the double signal for the activation of the co-stimulatory signal for the activation of T cells, and CD28 going to bind with B7 on APC antigen presenting cells. Helper T cells having CD4 and cytotoxic and the CD8. And helper T cell also having CD40 ligand that are going to bind with CD40 of macrophages and CD40 of B cells. They are having 6 CR4 and 5, they're the core receptor for HIV. Activity T cells, CD4 and CD25, the B cells having the immunoglobulin binds antigens, and they having CD19, 20, 21, the receptor for Epstein-Barr virus. The 21 must be 21 to drink after bar. So CD21 is for Epstein-Barr virus. So CD40 to bind with T cells, MHC class 2, and B7, CD1886 for the co-stimulation. The nitric acid cell having CD16 for the antibody antigen activation, complex activation, mediated activation, that will bind to FCFM immunoglobulin G. They have in CD56. That is a marker of nitric acid cell. All of you guys know that. And then you have to have in the macrophages CD14, the receptor of PAMS, and CD40 CR5, and MHC2 and a B7 FC, and CD3B receptor that enhance the phagocytosis. These all are belongs to macrophages. They are the hematopoietic stem cell, they are having the CD34.